Page 68, Mister Banjo. They're talking here about syncopation. You can Google syncopation and read all about it. Get just as confused as you want to. But to me, syncopation is when we're just throwing the rhythm off a little. You play a note when you don't expect it, or you don't play a note when you expected one, or maybe the accent changed. You're just throwing it off a little bit. And generally in interpreting, we will accent the syncopated note. It's about 4 lines of music long. It's longer than that with the DC, but 4 lines of music to learn. Treble, bass, clef, 1 sharp in the key signature, so it's either in G major or E minor. It starts out in G major. It ends in G major. I'm guessing it is in G major. However, if you look at measure 9, that goes into E minor. It doesn't matter. Do the scales and arpeggios for both. G major and E minor? Okay. 2/4 time. Right hand. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. And that's where the syncopation comes in. We're playing a rest on the first beat when we expect a note, because we expect this. That's nice and straight, nice and boring. But we're throwing it off a little bit. We're hesitating on that first note. It's played after. 1, 1. So that first note, that's the syncopated note, because we're playing it later than we expect. That's basically the rhythm throughout the thing. Left hand's just got quarter notes. Okay, well that's nice and fun. The left hand does get some syncopation in the last line, so you're here. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3. Something like that, and then you put the hands together and say, oh my gosh, because they're bum, 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 bum. Come down here, and that's basically the piece. Now let's put the hands together slowly. I go back over it slowly, and I get rid of the hesitations. So it's a steady beat. And then I add the articulation. Here, these are slurs in the left hand. You have to experiment. Do you want to separate them or not? I don't know. What sounds better? His, you're just playing it. Although you get a few staccatos. First, I'll connect the left hand. And then I'll try it with 2-note slurs in the left hand. It's more difficult with 2-note slurs. So if you just want to connect the left hand, that's fine with me. After the articulation, I add the dynamics. F is going to be both hands. Loud. And then measure, 9? Soft. And measure 17, you're soft. Both hands. But there's a crescendo there. So now we're going to go up to loud, but they've written it and it helped us out a little bit. We're going to crescendo from measure 17 to the end. That's basically the effect I think they're after. But in measure 21, they give us the mezzo forte. They're saying, as you crescendo, you want to be here when you get there. So we're going to crescendo from soft, and it's just going to be every measure or 2. Soft, a little louder, softer, now moderately loud, a little louder. And that last note being loud with an accent actually makes it a very loud note. So you can, if you want, go ahead and crescendo up to loud. And the next to the last measure at the bottom, you can be loud there. Because the last note's going to be loud with an accent, makes it even louder. So that helps a little bit too. So it's just a long crescendo. That's interpretation. Not everybody would interpret it that way, but that's what I'm suggesting. Then the speed is fairly quick. Has to be accurate. So what is your accurate? That's going to be your speed. And then on the DC, you go back to the beginning. The fine is measure 8. You see the thin and thick bar lines? Remember, that's the symbol for the end of a piece. So that we end it there. That's all. to take it to that speed. You decide what you want. Remember, the natural accent is just the first beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, 1. Feel the natural accents as you go through. Let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. We're not performing it, just notes and rhythms. We will do the DC, and I'll give us 2 counts. Ready and go. And 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. Rest.